The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, units and artillery of the U group of forces eliminated more than 250 Ukrainian troops, 6 tanks, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 7 motor vehicles and 1 D-20 howitzer. An ammunition depot of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been hit close to Lastachkino. In the south Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, artillery and aviation of the Vostok group of forces engaged the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar and Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic. As many as 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 pickup truck, 3 motor vehicles, D-20 and D-30 howitzers were neutralized in these directions during the day. In the Kherson direction, over 15 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 motor vehicles have been neutralized by fire. In total, 404 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,544 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,384 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,071 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,415 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,073 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 660 servicemen in a single day, including 13 tanks and 11 armored fighting vehicles. In total, Kremlin lost 168,150 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,579 tanks, 6,898 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. Ukraine Defense Ministry also shows footage of 59 separate motorized infantry brigade named after Yakov Hanziuk destroy Russia tanks in front line. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasted for 393 days. There is still no peace talk agreements from both sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.